Unit 4, linear and absolute value functions, question number 2. So question number 2 wants us to find the points and then graph the line by the line y equal negative x plus 3 following the instructions below. So what you're going to do, guys, is that we need to graph what this line is going to look like using x values. So what you're going to do is that you're going to start with all the x values from the left and go all the way to the right. So the furthest x value to the left is negative 10. So what you're going to do is that you're going to utilize the function and you're going to replace x with negative 10. And then you're going to go ahead and calculate that. So if I plug in negative 10, in front of here is a negative 1, multiply, you get positive 10, and then 10 plus 3 is 13, okay? So you put negative 10, 13. However, negative 10, 13 does not fit on this graph. So then you're going to go to the next number, negative 9, okay? So you plug in negative 9 into your equation, okay? Negative 9. And then plus 3, so when you multiply, that would be positive 9. 9 plus 3 is 12, but can 12 fit on here? No. So then you go to negative 8, okay? But this can be tedious, guys, so this is what you can do when you use your calculator. So you can utilize your calculator by just going ahead and rewriting this equation. Okay, I'm rewriting the same equation. And then where I see x, I replace it with parentheses. And I'm going to plug in all those numbers just to make it a little bit easier for me. So I tried negative 9, it didn't work. Now I'm going to try negative 8. When I plugged in negative 8, I got 11. Okay, so 11 doesn't fit on here, so then I'll try negative 7. And I got positive 10, so negative 7, positive 10, that would be right here. Then I'm going to keep on going to the right. So then negative 6. That would be 9. Okay, negative 6, 9. Then right after that, I'm going to go to negative 5. That would be 8. So negative 5 and 8. And then after a while, you'll start to see the trend, because if I plug in negative 4, I'll get 7. And then you'll see the trend. So if I plug in negative 3, I'll get 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. Alright, so again, guys, that's what your line would look like. Then you click done plotting, and then you just try to draw your line as accurate as possible, going down through all these points. So I just made a mistake right there. So I just try to do it as accurate as possible. Straight through all these points. Oh, I think that's the hardest part, putting it into all the points. Just go as accurate as possible. Take your time, and then there we go. Okay, so again, guys, just like that. Okay, so again, that's what you will need to do for this question. So what if you saw a question that looks like this one right here? Okay, so I'll do the same thing, rewrite equation, write 4, parentheses, and then plus 4. And then inside I start with the furthest left, so I start with negative 10. Plug in negative 10, I get negative 36. That won't work for sure. So then I plug in negative 9. That won't work. Negative 8. It won't work. Negative 7. Won't work. Negative 6. Won't work. Negative 5. Nope. Negative 4 might work. Nope. Negative 3. So I got negative 3 and negative 8. So negative 3, negative 8. That'll be right here. Then I try negative 2. And I get negative 4. So negative 2, negative 4. And then if I try negative 1, I get 0, so negative 1 and 0. And then if I try 0, I get 4. Okay, so 0, 4. And then if I try 1, I get 8. So 1 and 8. And then if I try 2, I don't think it'll fit on the graph. Nope, because I got 12. And that 12 doesn't fit for the y. And that'll be my line, guys. And then I just click done plotting, and I just connect those lines together. Nope, made a mistake. So again, nothing wrong with making mistakes, guys. Just do it all. Just click undo and do it again, and then just like that. Okay. So let's try another one. Let's try one with a fraction as the leading coefficient. So 1/2. So I type 1/2 parentheses that plus 3, no, minus 3, and then I start with the furthest left. So I start with -10, and I got -8. So -10, -8. Then I try -9. I got -7.5, but I can't put 7.5 a decimal on here. So then I'll try -8. I got -7, so -8, -7. So then I'll try -7. Got a decimal. So then -6. I got -6. Then I try -5. I will get a decimal. Okay, then I try -4. Then -5. And then after a while, you start to see this trend: up 1, right 2, 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 up 1, right 2. And then you have your line. So then let's connect all those lines together. So again, guys, just like that. Okay, so that's it.